Okay, well, welcome back. I just want to do a quick educational video here on opening one of these modem packs. I picked these modem packs up from Battery Hookup. Great source for used 18650 cells. I am not being sponsored at all by Battery Hookup, so I bought these with my own money. It's a pretty quick procedure. I thought I would just make a quick video on it just to show you how easy it is to pop these cells out. What I usually do is I'll just take a blade. Make sure you can see this here. And right along, you can kind of see this line that runs right down here. That's where the two parts of the case meet. And what I do is I scribe with the blade right down that crease, and then right down through the stickers on this crease right here. Watching your hands, of course, and fingers, so they ain't safe. A crease right there. A couple times. There are 4 cells in here, so they're going to be on the sides. So you're not going to have any problem with slicing into any cells. You have a little space in there. You don't want to go too deep, but don't worry about that. And do the other side, just down there. Same crease. Take my diagonal pliers, my diagonal cutters, just like this. And what I do is I go right into the corners, right on that pack right there, and I just kind of bite right into that corner. Oh, hello. Pops it right in like that. You can see it already splitting open a little bit like that. Grab the other one. Pops it. Already splitting in half, the whole case is. I do one more cut. Right there, one more little pop. One most part, one last one where the terminals go. Boom, it just pops right open. Just like that. Discard the top. It's only glued on one side. This side here has a little tape, but it never connects to the tape. You can see that tape in there. This side here, I think I've mentioned this before. I've picked up these little plastic tools here, little pry bars, little pry tools. You can pick them up online, Harbor Freight. They're like door panel remover tools. Some have little like little forks in them like that. Some have little spades. And what I do is I take the one here that has a little curve, and these are pretty flexible. You can kind of see they flex a little bit. They're very, very strong. And what I do is I just take that little spoon part, the little curve, go right down there in the cells. It's kind of curved and it's soft, so it really doesn't damage the cells. I push it right in where the glue is. Give a little pry there. Do this side, little pry, and they pop right out. Have a little silicone right there. That's about it. Since I have my gloves on, these are charged packs. They have about 3.5, 3.7. They come in anywhere from 85-90% of capacity. What I do is I just kind of manhandle them. I just kind of grab hold of the BMS board. I pull that right off. Take the cells, pull them apart. Just grab hold. Being careful of the nickel right here. Okay, and you just kind of grab it, pull it apart, pull them apart, pull them apart. Grab out the little flush cutters like that. And I just get right in there and just pop off the nickel. Nickel on this one. Little sharp points. By the way, these are going to be the LG. They're DAS. I'm sorry, DA 531865. Now the little residue that's left here, the little glue, I take an old, like kind of discarded little, credit card or something like that, a little plastic card, and I just use it, and it softens, pliable. And I take it, I just rub it right there. Takes any of that silicone right off. And then you are left with a nice little cell. Pops right out of there. Real easy. You get 4 nice cells, just a little cleanup, a couple pieces of tape, and 4 very nice cells. And just to show you, I'm going to go ahead and do this with one hand here. And put it in the camera. Got my finger right there. You see that? Coming at 316. Nice cell, 318. So all ready for the chargers. So we take the cells, we get 4 nice ones out of there. We put them on our charging banks down below, and they'll go up onto the capacity checkers up on top of capacity testers. So I just want to show you how easy it is to pop these up. I think only paying about, I think they're $2, $2.50 for one of these. I think it's actually only $2, maybe even a little less. So you're looking at 50 cents a cell. Great price for 18650s. Okay, thank you. So as you can see, in no time you would have 4 process cells from battery hookups. Nice little modem cells. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and if you have any comments, please leave the comments below. Okay, thank you, and have a fantastic day.